Build immunity with turmeric, black pepper and carrot juice. Now cold and flu season is in full swing, a lot of us are trying our best to strengthen our immune systems. Almost everybody is looking for a shortcut or some kind of magic formula that will keep infections and viruses at bay. Turns out that there is no magic potion. A healthy immune system is not built in a day. You need to work at it. Eating responsibly and living a healthy lifestyle will help to prepare your body's natural defenses to fight off the seasonal ailments. Some of our kitchen ingredients may help too. Since the beginning of time, humans have valued spices not only for their flavor but also their holistic benefits. Spices, if consumed in moderation, can work wonders for your immunity, with minimum side effects. Immunity-boosting power of turmeric, black pepper and carrots. India's golden spice turmeric has been creating quite a stir globally for its healing benefits. Its active compound curcumin is known to have potent qualities to combat chronic infections. The anti-inflammatory properties are also helpful in managing the symptoms and discomfort from colds, coughs and flu. Another wonder spice is black pepper. It is also enriched with antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that help keep your body resilient against disease-causing bacteria. In addition to spices, some vegetables are also loaded with immunity-boosting properties. Carrots, for instance, are very high in vitamin C. It's also one of the best sources of beta-carotene, a potent antioxidant that fights free radical damage of cells, which in turn takes a toll on our immune system. You can blend the goodness of these three into one juice and make yourself your own immunity booster. Here's what you'll need. Ingredients: 1 small-sized carrot, 1 pinch of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 glass of water. The method is rather simple. Add all the ingredients into a blender, add as much water as you need and simply blend until you get your desired consistency. Drink this juice early in the morning for maximum benefits. Let us know in the comments if you're going to try this delicious drink. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. Stay healthy and we'll see you next time.